Assalamu alaikum, beautiful soul. Welcome back to Irin Academy. Before we start our today's story, I want to tell you something very important. If you watch this video till the end, you will know how savings can change your life forever, how legends become successful by respecting money, and how you can start saving from today, even with a small income. Think of this video as a map that guides you from confusion to clarity, from stress to peace, from feeling lost to feeling in control. Let's go through this map to the kingdom of financial freedom. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe at Irin Academy, where your freedom journey begins. Before we start, take a deep breath and relax. And imagine a life where money doesn't control you. You control your money. And that life begins with one simple word: savings. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy in Omaha, Nebraska. He was not strong, he was not famous, he was not rich. But he has one superpower. He respected every coin. That young boy was Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. At age 6, he bought Coca-Cola for 25 cents and sold it for 5 cents. He earned a small profit, but he didn't spend it. Rather, he saved it, and that small saving became the seed of $1 trillion legacy. Warren Buffett once said, "Don't save after spending, but spend after saving." This is not just a quotation, it's a life rule. Savings is not about the amount, savings is about the habit. People think I'll save when I earn more, but the truth is very simple. If you can't save while you earn little, you will never save when you earn more. Saving is the foundation of financial freedom. Just like a house needs a foundation, your financial life needs savings. Saving $10 with discipline is more powerful than spend $10,000 without thinking. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine you are walking in a beautiful forest where sky is clear. Birds are singing, you feel peace. Every step you feel like saving. Small, slow, quiet, but moving you forward. Suddenly you see a huge strong tree. It comes from a tiny seed, just like your saving. When you save, every time you are planting a seed, which will turn into independence, strength, and power. In the legendary book The Richest Man in the Babylon, George S. Clason wrote, "A part of all you earn is to keep." It means all of your money should not go for bills, foods, shops, or wants. Some part must stay with you forever. It is your seed, your future, your freedom. Now let's talk about another living legend, Cristiano Ronaldo. We all know about his fame and success, but many don't know he saves more he saves 70% of his income. He invests, he plans, he thinks long term. That's why he is not a sports hero. He is a financial hero. His principle is simple. Discipline creates abundance. If the world's greatest player and billionaire save, then saving is not a small thing. It is a powerful habit of champion. You don't need big income. You don't need any financial degree. You just need one decision. I'll save before I spend. So, beautiful soul, here is some simple plans for you. Step 1. Save 10% of your income, no matter how tiny it is. Number 2, put it in a safe place like bank, mobile banking, or envelope. Number 3, don't touch it unless it is for investment, not for expenses. Number 4, track your daily expenses so that you can understand where your money goes. Number 5, celebrate small progress because at first the savings grow slow, but suddenly it grows fast. One day, your savings will save you. It will save you from emergencies. It will save you from fear, from stress, from depending on others. Your saving gives you confidence, gives you dignity, gives you power. Saving is not just money, it is your freedom. Ask yourself softly, if I start saving from today, where will I be after 1 year? Where will I be after 5 years? The answer is very simple and clear. You will be a much more better, happier, and stronger place of your life. Your success story changes with one tiny habit. This is the beginning of your journey. It is a journey to a financial independence. It is a journey to your financial freedom. And thank you for giving me the honor to walk with you in your financial journey. I reminding you, save first and spend later. Your future self will thank you. Stay blessed and stay powerful. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.